Hey guys, it's Mickey. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about what to avoid if you actually want a clear skin. Comedogenic products are one of the killers of you having a clear skin. Products that are comedogenic: coconut oil, lanolin, isopropyl myristate, and when you use them on your skin, it's either you break out. And most products that contain comedogenic properties, they are mostly found in hair products. So you shouldn't be using your hair product on your face or on your skin. It should just be for the hair. If you want a clear skin, please avoid overwashing, over scrubbing of your skin. Also, overwashing of your hands. Most times it's not really healthy for your skin because too much water dries out the skin, which doesn't aid you in having a clear skin. What to avoid if you want a clear skin is over-exfoliation. People tend to use acids on a daily. Use peel generally or acids on your skin on a daily. All right, maybe twice a week, it's okay. That way you've exfoliated and whatever product you're using is going to work. Same thing is also applicable to people using their sponge. You know, this their concon. I use it on your body. Do you know that sponge is also a means of exfoliating your skin? I'm giving you this as an assignment, all right? Make sure you don't use your sponge on a daily. Now you can actually rotate it. Monday to Friday, you have a time you get to use your sponge and a time you get to use your soap. Let's say you get to use your sponge maybe like 3 times a week, because you know we Nigerians now, we always feel that if we don't use sponge, we've not taken our bath, that means we are smelling or something. Well, that's not always the case, okay? Now you can use your sponge 2 or 3 times a week. I use my sponge twice a week. Then my soap, I actually moisturize my body well, all right? Use your soap, massage on your skin, and you rinse your body. That way your skin still retains the lipid it's supposed to have and you don't end up drying your skin in the long run. What to avoid if you want a clear skin? Now this goes to ladies or women that like to switch from one product to the other product to the other product. You move to the other one. You move to the other one. Skincare is all about consistency. The problem is not that the products are not good. It's just that you're not consistent. It might actually be the right product, but your consistency is not there and you're not patient enough to wait. Another thing to avoid in order to have a clear skin. Now come here. These are for people that like to go to parties. I like party wear. I use makeup and I come back home at night. Oh yeah, now take off your makeup. Irony. You will not sleep with makeup. Some of you will go as far as even borrowing your friend's brush. This makeup brush and the rest. You put it on your face. Try and wash your face and do a double cleansing on your face. Get your micellar water, get a cotton wool and use it on your face to remove the first layer of your makeup. Then you go and double cleanse your face with your cleanser. Fine, then you rinse your face properly. After doing that, you use your micellar water to clean it again so that you don't have any debris left. Remember that when you wash your face, there's still meant to be some debris left on your face. I notice each time I finish washing my face, I still get to use micellar water to touch my face. Now, there are things that the micellar water does for you. Most of you will say, as I don't wash my face, it don't do. Irony. The micellar water still helps with hydration. So it still locks in hydration apart from when you're coming out from the bedroom and use micellar water. You'll be so shocked that after washing your face is not totally clean. It's not. Oh. You notice that this side, it will carry some dirt. It will be carry dirt. You notice that some side around this place too, dirt will be there. So try and use micellar water. Oshe pataki. And for you sharing makeup brush, stop it. Things to avoid in order to have a clear skin. Stop popping your pimples. Leave the pimples alone. Stop touching your face, especially when you're out and about in the sun and maybe something is itching. Now start touching your face, touching your pimples. Hey, you are just inviting bacteria to your face. I remember I used to do that when I enter keke or bike, and then I was always breaking out. And because I have an acne skin, that's why. Well, then I used to tell me to puberty and acne skin. Irony. It was because of bad habit of touching face, bad habit of peeling pimples. Stop touching your face, stop touching your pimples, right? And you need to learn how to wash your hands. Don't forget that when you go out in the sun, our hands are going to be filled with a lot of bacteria. Whatever we touch, the dirt, the dust, and now that there is a lot of construction going on in Lagos, even in Nigeria as a whole. So try and avoid touching your face. Rinse your hand, clean your hand properly, which after cleaning, they use your wipes, then you can then touch your face. That way you will have a clear skin. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Mickey loves you like Kilo Day. Bye guys.